Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row.
This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.